Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm playing Magic Awakening or Awaken, and I'm gonna teach you how to harvest. Okay, so you need to go to Hogsmeade, or you guys can go here, and then you go here, and then it says Bewildering Blooms. You click right there. And that's how you get it. And then we go back. Alrighty, so in order for you to harvest, you need seeds. And to get seeds, you basically buy from him this elf right here with the card picture. And then you click right there on the bloom section. And then you will buy the seeds. And then you buy this one too. I mean, they're pretty cheap, which is amazing in my opinion. And then what you do is click where it says space, if you do have it in English. If not, then just click on the pictures that I am clicking on. And then you will need these two right here. I don't know if you've seen them before, or if you did the tutorial. If you didn't, I forgot how you get them. But you can click on furniture, I'm pretty sure. And I'm pretty sure it should be somewhere in here. I just forgot where it was. But you buy it. You basically do the tutorial for the... But you buy it. You basically buy it. And once you have these two... Oh, the tutorial, I think... Hold on. Sorry. I think the tutorial... You go here on the book. And then you go to... Side story? If I'm not mistaken. And then you will go to where it says... let's see. There's a picture of her. Astra's private lesson. You do that one, and you basically start unlocking how to harvest. So you do that, right? You go. Let's go to our space again. And then you click here. And then what you will do is click where it says plant, right? And then you will click on hygiene. You drag this. You will drag it and clean it until it loads up to 100. There you go, see that? Maximum. So that's good. And then we'll click on here. Same process. We're gonna click on plant. You will know when it's ready because it says 12 hours. Growth time 12. So you plant. And then at the bottom it says plant journal. And then it says water. You click where it says water. You drag your wand and start putting water. Yes, so that's good. So that's maximum right there, as you guys can see. And that's about it. And then once they are ready, you just go back here. This one is gonna be ready in 6 hours. And that one is gonna be ready in 11 hours, 12 hours, I'm sorry. So that is pretty much how you do it, guys. Simple as that. I hope you like my tutorial, and I hope you have an amazing day.